Welcome, my people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Feel at home. To all my channel member and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. As you can see by the title, I am making shrimp stuffed eggplant. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this. Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister Jay, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the pot. Sister Jay, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here is the eggplant that I'll be using. And this is a big eggplant, guys. And this is the shrimp that I'll be using. I'm just going to be seasoning up my shrimp now after washing it with the lime and some vinegar. So here I'm adding some garlic powder. So 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil. So now I'm seasoning up the shrimp so that all of them can get some seasoning. The thing with shrimp, it doesn't take long to get marinated. Okay? So I'm just going to sit this aside and tend to my eggplant. Now I'm cutting my eggplant in two. And I take the middle part out. So I'm going to be cutting up the middle part. Now I'm gonna season the outer part of the eggplant, but I'm drying off the excessive water after washing them. So now it's time to season the eggplant. I'm using some vegetable seasoning, and some garlic powder. Now I'm using some olive oil. I'm just gonna put some more vegetable seasoning, then I flip the eggplant over and add some more olive oil. Now I'm just basting the eggplant with the seasoning and the olive oil. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you can be notified when I'm on. Just do the do. Thank you so much for your love and support. So now my eggplant is already seasoned, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the remaining of the eggplant. And here is the remaining of the eggplant, and I'm seasoning this part, and I'm using the same season. So that's the vegetable season and the garlic powder. So I'm going to go ahead and put the outer part of the eggplant in the oven. Now I have my skillet on the fire, and I'm just going to add a small portion of oil, and then I'll be adding the shrimp. So here I'm adding the shrimp to the oil. Now I'm flipping the shrimp on the other side after 2 minutes. So here I'm adding the eggplant to the shrimp. Now it's time to add the onion, the cilantro, and the peppers, the bell pepper. And we're just gonna mix this colorful vegetables in. Now I'm adding some heavy whipping cream. And here the eggplant is already roasted. So now it's time to stuff that eggplant. I'm adding some Parmesan cheese, and now I'm adding some plain breadcrumbs to that. And I'm just mixing it all in and stir it out. Adding some more cheese to that and mix it up. So look at that, guys. My shrimp is ready for the eggplant. So now I'm stuffing the eggplant. I'm adding some cheese on top. And there you have it, my lovely people. My shrimp stuffed eggplant. Quick, easy, and simple recipe. And guys, I'm just gonna eat it just like so. Ready to eat. And guys, this is so filling. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more.